Alright guys, well, this is our first review ever in the history of Never Stop the Hunt. Can't believe I'm saying that, but guys, here we are. We have the new XOP Air Raid Evolution Hang-On Stand. Something I've never even looked into. I've heard of XOP before, always been in a big game. Now, that's our Rural King local brand. You might be able to find some at Walmart, Dunham's. What you got? Dick's Sporting Goods. You got Gander Outdoors. Used to be the old Gander Mountain. Man, I miss Gander Mountain.
Dude,
I miss that.
totally.
Gander Outdoors is pretty much the same, but it's a little different now. But
bunch of RVs.
shit. Oh, we got Cabela's. Oh,
Yeah,
we got
Cabela's,
Field and
Bass
Stream.
Pro.
We got Bass and Pro. You'll find them out there. Okay. I don't know if they sell these in store though. I've never looked.
Sure.
This was shipped to me, so here we are. This stand's a little bit different though because it's more of the hang and hunt kind of deal. You pack in, you pack out. And I mean, obviously you can leave it up like any other stand, but this one here is meant for the easy access and lightweight capabilities of just getting in and getting out clean. We don't have this, and quiet too, that's the big thing, because the aluminum, what it's telling me right here, the cast aluminum is super, super lightweight. Now, obviously we're going to do a field test later on, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to comment below as well on what stands you're using, what you guys like that's best, and what's worked best for you over the years. But like I said, this is what we're rolling with this year. It's going to be our sponsor. So like I said, we're not making money off of this by any means, but you know, we're giving it a trial. We're going to give it a shot, and it's basically giving you guys an idea out there in the hunters and all around, you know, on how we feel about it and what you guys are going to take from this video is basically, do you want to use it or not? Is it something that would fit for you? Now, starting out the gates, I will say this stand compared to other stands is a little more pricey.
Yeah.
But with that being a little more pricey, you have to, you know, weigh the pros and cons. That's what we're here to do. So stay tuned for later in the video, follow everything we're doing here, and make sure to stay later in the year as well because hunting season is ticking down. We are looking at less than a week. No, we're getting on a week and a half right now, right? Week and a half. So we're pumped up.
10 days.
10 days. Oh, we're on the countdown. We're in 10 days. And when you're watching this, you're probably already hunting. So good luck to everybody. Well, let's get into this. I know we've been talking enough here. So we're getting excited. Obviously, we're fired up. We're going to have a ton of videos coming. But with the stand itself, like I said before, yes, a little more pricey, a little bit more.
Yeah, than your average.
Because the ones were, like I said, I used to be using big game. Big game, I was spending like on sale. I'm cheap. It is what it is. Okay, it's on sale, but like 50, 60 bucks. You're looking at 50, 60 bucks for that stand. Small little seat, small platform. I mean, it's enough to get it done. It's a little more heavy, but once again, it gets the job done. With this stand, you're looking at a bigger platform. From what I'm hearing, the seat's a little bigger, you know?
Yeah.
You got a lot more space to work with, and it's lightweight, guys. That's the biggest thing, it's lightweight. Durability factor, I don't know yet. That's what we're here to test. I don't know. I don't know how it's going to hold up. It's aluminum.
We'll find out
It's aluminum, so we will find out soon. But that's what I'm saying with the factor of the price. It's pricey, don't get me wrong. But like I said, with the factors it's going to be with the stand, the lightweight capability getting in and out, that's huge. It's crucial, guys, crucial. And I think they sell sticks too. XOP, they sell all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I think so.
Extreme outdoor products.
Too.
Oh, they got all kinds of different things. So guys, go check them out. Make sure we'll leave a link in the description below. But we're going to get into this. Okay, fits trees, 4 inches to 22 inches in diameter as well. Seat platform, looking at about 14 by 12, so that's great. I mean, you got a lot more room than others. Seat height, 21 inches, which is not a big deal. I mean, you'll figure that out, whatever's comfortable for you. Cast aluminum, like we said before, and a 350-pound weight capacity, which surprises me with aluminum. I was really surprised by that. So we're going to unbox it right now. This is our first, official look into the whole thing. So we're going to crack this open. We're going to see how it goes here. I don't know. Like, this is first impressions. I don't, when we're looking at big game stands, we can kind of do a little comparison on those. It's a little, they're just, you sat on them before.
They're different.
Don't get me wrong. I mean, it's enough to get the job done, but I'm thinking an all-day hunt wouldn't be the most comfortable thing in the world.
No.
So starting right out of the gate here, we're going to go ahead and pull out the seat.
Look at that.
I mean, guys, look at this, okay? Look at this compared to my head. Looks like your ass has got plenty of cushion. Excuse my French, but look at this right here, okay? Quiet. We're going to go, it's still in the package here. The size is what, right off the gate here.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
The size is way more than the big game. We're looking at like memory foam type cushioning, okay? Another factor too, I'm noticing, this material. This material, I mean, squirrels you got to be careful of. They'll gnaw just about anything. But the comfort factor, get a feel of that. Okay? That's
I like
comfort.
that.
That's comfort. I like that a lot, guys. A lot. Now this stand,
Logo?
the logo. I mean, look at the logo too. I'm liking it a lot. The dark green, I like that. I like it. I like
Beautiful.
it. What else we got in here? We're gonna go ahead and just pull out little things at a time. The straps. Okay, this is the safety harness portion, so that's nice. It does come with a climbing belt, safety harness, all that fun jazz if you don't have it already. So that's great. I like that factor. So a lot of guys, if you're just getting into it and you want to just grab a stand, that's nice to have with you in case you don't have,
Yep.
the extra safety precautions and equipment there. What else? It looks like, which is surprising to me, the stand is pretty much already put together from what I'm telling and being able to see here, which was very surprising to me. And it is. I mean, guys, this
Wow.
thing is ready to go right out of the package. Now, I'm going to say right off the get-go, it's light. Now, I will say compared to Big Game, weight factor, I mean, it's close to it. Those are a little more heavier, but right there I'm noticing it'll make a little bit of noise.
I think once the seat's
But
on,
once the seat's on, it's going to be a
it'll
different
lot
ball
quieter,
game.
for sure.
But I'm still thinking, I mean, you got a lot of noise there. Putting the seat up, and I mean, this is going to be an honest review here. We're not going to make nothing up, even though we might be working with these guys in the future. We want to be honest with you guys when we're reviewing all of this. So something I'm seeing right now, the thing's already put together, which is great. I'm liking that a lot. Now, here's something else.
Not sure if I like the seat.
The seat angle is up right out of the box. But when I'm looking here, you have a little bolt. Okay? You can adjust that, which I think is really nice.
Yeah.
I like that factor.
Especially
Now with
if the
light-
trees are always different
Yeah.
when you hang them up.
So think about it. If you're sitting there and your tree's angled a little bit, that's great. It'll really help you seat back in it. So safety factor, I give it a pretty good rating there right off the get-go. Okay, you got your mounts to the back of the tree. So that's going to go right up top there. You already got your bottom mounts. Strap-wise, we're looking pretty good here. Nothing too crazy. Now, this part and the straps that are actually holding the stand together, I like it. They're quiet. They're the buckle system. Nothing like a ratchet strap or anything like that. A lot of your stands nowadays are going to come this way anyways, but I do like the factor of it being a little bigger. It's really easy. It's got the clamp. I can get a little closer to the camera real quick to show you guys this. Just real quick. It's got the little clamp factor there, which I'm liking. I like that because it really is sturdy. I use that same way Big Game set up. Attached to the tree here, but that's cool. I like that.
That's pretty cool.
And once again, it's something that's lighter, it's quick. Strap length though, I'm noticing.
Kind of short.
Nah, it's kind of short. I mean, you're looking at about 6 foot on your strap, maybe 6.5. So if you're looking to go around a tree, you're not, I mean, it says on the box 22 inches, so that must be your strap length at most, but I'd want it to be a little bigger maybe, just a little bit. But that's all right. Once again, you're not expecting to climb into the biggest trees ever, but if you're thinking about getting into a cottonwood or something like that, I don't know. Makes me a little nervous there. But attachment-wise, it looks fairly easy. I mean, it does give you 2
And
straps and quiet. So you got one here on the top, and you got one here in the bottom. So 2 different spots that it actually attaches to the stand and wraps around. Big Game's only one. Once again, safety factor, guys. I'm liking it. I do like that a lot. Now with these bolts, like I said, everything's tightened. I like to double check your cables, everything like that. Got a pretty thin cable going up, but not bad at all. XOP logo on the bottom of your platform. Once again, the room of the platform, I do like it. We'll get it tested out in the field here and we'll get it set up in a tree and go from there. But right out of the box, I like it. I really do. Seat-wise and everything like that. It looks pretty good, a little weight of it, everything like that, I'm liking. And obviously you just have to put this on the top here that helps it attach to the tree. So
But I
pretty
do
cool.
like how they do
I do like that. I like that a
the
lot.
safety harness.
That's cool.
And
Which
everything
I
that
personally
came with
wouldn't
it.
use because it's not, I mean, it's
It's
a little bulky, it's a little heavy. But once again, I mean, for the price of the stand and everything like that, for what we're using it for, that's great that they add that in. I like that factor. Some stands don't. The Big Game stands, I believe they do. Once again, it's a cheap strap, a real cheap little setup, but if you need it and you want to stay safe in the field, it's important. Another thing out of the box too, we'll talk with real quick here and then we'll get out in the field and test it. Got a DVD, looks like a little instructional DVD, safety stuff. It's all up to you. That's what it's saying on the DVD. So we got that, we got the manual. You know, something that's really just something I was really hoping for, a decal. Come on, guys. Get together.
Oh,
I need a sticker or a decal or
Something to
something.
put
Come
on.
on now. Nah, it's okay. Big game. They offer one, though. They're one up in there. They're one up in a little bit. But that's all right. We're going to get in the field, guys. We're going to test it. Like I said, this is straight out of the box. My honest opinion right now, I do like it. It's different from what I'm used to. But the platform size, the seat cushion, stuff like that, I'm giving it a pretty good rating right off the get-go. So stay tuned, guys. Like I said, leave a comment below. Let us know if you guys, some of your guys' seasons have already started up.
Yeah.
September 1st. So let us know. Drop some comments down. Let us know how everything's going. And everybody stay safe out there this year. And definitely check these guys out because so far I'm liking it a lot. So pretty good deal.
Safety first, guys.
Safety first. We'll get out in the field. We'll get back with you guys. And yeah, let's see how it does on the tree.
Can't wait.
Kind of excited, actually. Never messed with one of these, so we'll be back. Signing out, guys. Stay tuned. Hey. All right, guys. Well, we're here out in the field. I'm going to be a little bit quiet. We're going to have to make this quick. I got a low battery right now. So we finally got the stand hung up. Once again, it's the new XOP. We talked a lot about it in the unboxing. Here it is out in the field. This tree, it's a smaller tree. It worked out perfect, actually. Check it out. Yes, I know. I'm rocking the Crocs. I mean, come on, guys. 4-wheel drive, you already know. But once again, right off the get-go, let me tell you guys, super comfortable. Huge platform. Like I said, very, very nice. Something else right off the get-go. We talked about the straps a little bit in the unboxing. You're not hanging anything off of these. I mean, you could if you wanted to, but guys, I didn't even really notice it that night. There's little hooks here on the side. That's actually on the metal portion of the stand that they attach to so your seat doesn't slide around and stuff. So once again, that's really, really cool. I like that idea of it and super comfortable. Guys, I can't get over how comfortable this seat truly is. I mean, when I sit down on it, super, super comfortable. I thought maybe these buckles here would kind of get in the way, and they're not affecting much at all. Right here, your stand does attach, and your two little spots here. I like that. Once again, pretty neat. This held up really nicely. The mount that goes on the top that you have to, of course, bolt down yourself. That is literally the only thing on this stand that I had to do, was bolt that down. I made sure everything else was tight and good to go. The straps, I have a lot of extra room. I just went ahead and tied it off here and tucked the other one on the back side. Once again, this system here, I like this. It's very quick, it's very easy, it's very quiet. So if you're getting in and out very quickly in your stand, I love that aspect of it. The seat too, like I just did there, folds up and down, gives you plenty of space, guys. Like I said, even with this down, that's what I like about it. The amount of space on this platform is unreal. When you fold this up, it just doubles, just like that. But this is the stand we're going to be hunting. Got a perfect little hole here. We do have a camera set up over here, but this spot's looking really good for this year. Stay tuned for the video coming up soon. Like I said, we finally got the unboxing done. I absolutely love this stand so far, guys. Check them out, XOP. This stand alone, like I said, a little on the pricier end, but the amount of comfort and space that you have, lightweight capabilities, so far, I think it's worth it for the price, guys. I really, really do. Like I said, getting it into the tree was super easy. It only took me like 20 minutes tops. That's with me clearing a few branches, stuff like that, getting some things ready. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos to come this fall. Got a lot coming this way. We're going to definitely put down some deer this year. We also have a trip out west, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be super exciting. The first public land hunt on my own, kind of going out, and we're keeping the details minimum because I want you guys to stay tuned and stay excited for that in the future. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Really, really appreciate it. Good luck to everybody this fall. Comment below on how your season's doing. Let us know what you like and dislike about the video and this stand as well. We want to hear it all. So thank you guys. Good luck, and make sure to continue to never stop the hunt.